Welcome to NIPTA Academy, your guide to the animal behaviors and survival tactics. Learn their vital ecological roles. Welcome to reveal the fascinating and often brutal world of wildlife, focused on high-quality storytelling. Educational wildlife documentary channel, where nature reveals its deepest secrets. Welcome.
Within Africa and Asia lives one of nature's oldest primate groups. These are Old World monkeys, survivors of millions of years of evolution.
They are found across forests, mountains, grasslands, and even snowy regions.
Their bodies are built for power, speed, and survival.
Unlike many other monkeys, they have adapted to almost every environment. A hidden clue lies in their noses, narrow and downward facing.
This single feature separates them from their distant American relatives.
Some carry secret storage pouches inside their cheeks. They collect food quickly before predators or rivals can react. They then retreat to safety to enjoy their hidden meal.
Many Old World monkeys live in highly organized societies.
Every troop has leaders, rules, and social ranks. Grooming is more than cleaning, it builds trust. It strengthens alliances and reduces conflict. And teach survival through play. It strengthens alliances and reduces conflict. Mothers fiercely guard their young. And teach survival through play.
Hidden fact: some monkeys survive freezing snow.
They are the only monkeys known to enjoy hot baths.
Some even wash food before eating.
Some species can leap incredible distances. Others use tools, a sign of remarkable intelligence. Other species can leap incredible distances.
Some species can leap incredible distances. Some species can leap incredible distances.
They communicate with complex warning signals.
They communicate with complex warning signals.
Each sound carries a specific meaning. Predators are always near. Survival demands instant teamwork. But today, their greatest threat is human destruction.
Ancient habitats are disappearing fast. Yet hope remains through conservation.
Old World monkeys remind us that intelligence and survival are nature's greatest masterpieces. Old World monkeys remind us that intelligence and survival are nature's greatest masterpieces. Presented by NIPTA Academy.